Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the sound for call notifications on Messenger, step by step, with the updated method. If you're tired of hearing the same default ringtone or just want something that feels more personal, making this change is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's settings. You won't find this option inside the Messenger app itself, so it's important to begin with your device's settings menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your phone, this section may also be called Apps and Notifications, but the idea is the same. This is where you can control settings for each individual app on your phone. Now, from the list of installed apps, find and select Messenger. This will open the app's info page where you'll see options like permissions, storage, and, most importantly, notifications. Go ahead and tap on Notifications. This section gives you full control over how Messenger alerts you, whether it's for messages, group chats, or calls. At this stage, find and select notification categories. This is where notifications are broken down into specific types, so you can fine-tune exactly how each one behaves. Now, tap on Calls. Since we're focusing on setting a custom tone for calls, this is the section you need. Inside here, you'll see different options you can adjust, such as vibration or sound. Finally, tap on Sound. This will open up your list of available ringtones and notification sounds. Browse through the options and choose the one you like best. Once you've made your choice, it will automatically be applied to Messenger calls. And that's it. You've successfully changed the sound for your Messenger call notifications. From now on, whenever someone calls you through Messenger, you'll hear the new custom tone you selected. Customizing your notification sounds is a simple way to make your phone more personal and easier to manage, especially if you want to instantly know when a Messenger call comes in. Thanks for watching.